Today we are going to see about writing SI units and their symbols correctly. So this is important to follow the rules while writing the SI unit. First one, names of the unit are invariably written in small letters. For example, if you are writing SI unit of length, that is meter. So how you want to write? With a small letter METRE. And second one, instead of meter, if you are using only single letter, then we are using a small m for meter and small kg for kilogram. And third one, this is the only exception, the SI unit of capacity is liter, but we are using capital letter instead of small letter. This is important. And next, if the SI unit is name of the scientist and we want to represent the name of the scientist in a small letter, then we are using a capital N. For example, SI unit of force is Newton, capital N, and SI unit of temperature is Kelvin, that is capital K, not small k or small n. Okay, if the SI unit is the name of scientist. Okay, but at the same time, if you want to write the name of the full name, then you want to write only the small letter. For example, Newton, Newton. So if you want to write full word, then use the small letter. If you want to use only one letter, then you want to use a capital letters. Next, and the symbol should not followed by a full stop. But in that next case, if it is the end of the first sentence, any sentence, then you can use the full stop. And the third, last important one, if it is plural form or a singular form, you want to use only the SI unit is in a singular form. For example, if 50 meter or 10 meter, then use only 10. Don't use 10 meters. 10 m. Yes, this is the wrong thing. Okay, like that. 50 gram. Okay, that is also correct. If you are writing 50 grams, this is wrong thing. So you want to write the singular or plural. That is not change in the SI unit. This is important. Okay. So next we go for measurement of length. First you want to know what is length. Length can be considered as distance between the 2 points. As you know that what is the SI unit of length? SI unit of length is meter. Okay, now you want to know what is the definition of 1 meter. This is important. In previously we are following this one. What is that? The length between the two marks fixed near the two ends of platinum iridium rod kept at International Bureau of Weights and Measures at Serves near Paris in France. But nowadays we are using another definition of 1 meter, that is the distance traveled by the light in 1/c second. Okay, this is important. So the distance traveled by the light in 1/c second. Here the c is the speed of light in vacuum. Okay, next, multiples and submultiples. Multiples, you know that deca, hecto, kilo. These are multiples of meters, and submultiples deci, centi and milli are submultiples of meter. Like that in FES system, you know that in FES system we are using feet. Multiples of feet is yard and submultiples of feet is inches. So for this you want to know the important terms. 1 feet is equal to 12 inches and 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeter. Like that, 1 yard is equal to 3 feet. Okay, these are important points you want to remember. So up to this we conclude the class today. Thank you. Today we are going